Oh, 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 oh.
Oh,
Oh, so close.
almost. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
She got both hands on the foot.
Oh,
Oh, one hand on each foot.
which one is better? Which one's gonna taste better?
Come on,
Yeah.
baby girl. Oh, you're so close. You keep getting that thumb instead.
Yeah. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You were just so close to getting them.
Who could it be? Oh, that's yummy looking toes. Oh boy.
Oh, you got a big belly in the way still, I think.
Oh, almost.
It was right there. Did I distract you? Mommy needs to be quiet.
Almost. Try again. That's it.
There's some toes in the nose. Okay. Up in the mouth. From the nose to the mouth. Yum.
Wasn't that yummy?
Oh, she really got the toes. Skin on skin toes this time.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You like that toe jams?
Baby toes are so yummy, aren't they, baby? He's got two of them. Oh my gosh, it's a new thing. Ooh, these are my new toys. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And you're tickling yourself now. You're just too ticklish. Now you're tickling yourself.
Yeah. Oh, get that toe. Yeah. Oh, almost. Almost.
And Uncle Rick witnessed
Yeah.
the real toes in the mouth for the
Very
first
soft.
time.
We was there.
You're just fascinated by those little toes, huh?
Oh, yeah.
And there they go again. Come on,